Everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a little while since I've given you an update on our house in Italy. They're still doing some of the structural work. The main stuff is done. They're doing some aesthetics to that. I'll give you an update on that shortly. And then the basement and cellar, they're still putting up the pillars. But today what I want to talk to you about was those outside stairs. We have those infamous outside stairs coming down the side of the house that sometimes have just been the bane of my existence. But they took those out. They're putting in new stairs. They're going to be wonderful. So let me show you some footage on that. So I think that gives you a pretty good idea of the shaky history of these stairs and why it was important for us to replace them. Although they were a lot of fun, they were a little bit dangerous and we didn't want that wall to fall in on us. So we added those to the plan for improvement of the house, and this is just a rendering of what the architect had made for us. Let's take a closer look at what's going on. So the first thing they obviously had to do was condemn those stairways. We know that had to be done. Then they went through the painstaking task of removing all that concrete and the concrete wall and shoring up the dirt around it and beside it to keep it from caving in on itself. But there was a little setback with the weather. Once the sun came out and things dried up, the builders got right back to work. I just have to say that we've been really lucky and excited to work with this team that's been doing work on the house for us while we're out of the country. From our architect, our geometra, and the builders, it's just been a phenomenal job. Good communication. In fact, the stairs we're looking at here in this video are actually going to be finished with some local stone that they picked out for us that's indigenous to the area, and it'll help it look more natural and like it's always been there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you do, give us that thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave your comments down below. I love to hear from you. We'd love to respond to you. We look forward to giving you an update again soon. We're excited, and within the next month we're actually going to be traveling over to Italy, so we'll have some really good updates for you. Thanks for watching.